Today we're going to look at the famous Vanos valve. Here we can see a Vanos valve. It's from the input camshaft side. There's supposed to be a filter here. This has been removed at some time in the past. Due to the chain lashing around because of the faulty tensioner and the stretch in the chain and the wear and tear on it, due to the usual problem, people not putting good oil in their cars, you can see that the cam chain has lashed around and has damaged. It's got close enough to damage the Vanos valve. However, this has not prevented this Vanos valve from working in some respect. First of all, if we're going to check one of these valves, we'll have a look what kind of voltage is required at these wires. It could be 5 volts, it could be 12 volts. We don't know yet. Let's try and have a look. First off, we're going to take a normal multimeter here, and we're going to measure the resistance of this coil and to see if it's been damaged or not. If the coil's been damaged by this cam chain damage here, we should get no resistance here. Oh, yes, we're getting 12 ohms resistance. That's a good sign so far. We also have to check whether or not the coil's been partially damaged and shorts to earth. Here we can see no circuit. Here we can see no circuit. That means the coil inside there is quite safe. 12 ohms at 12 volts means 1 amp. That's quite normal. Quite a normal current in any modern car. So let's have a look how we connect it up. You might be wondering, how do I know which is the positive and negative connections? This could be important as it determines which way the piston moves inside here once we activate the solenoid. The Germans have incorporated inside here an electronic device called a bridge diode. That is not to prevent dumbcoffs from connecting it the wrong way around. That is to prevent electromagnetic EMF backlash from the coil from eddying up into the circuitry of the car's ECU and destroying it. So these diodes do two things. They prevent the backlash of the EMF, and also they mean we can connect to our battery any way round we like. We don't have to worry about positive and negative. What we're going to do first is have a look if the Vanos valve is actually working. I'm going to bring it very close now. You can see inside there the sliding mechanism that operates the valve. You should see some movement in it. Yes, clearly we can see it moving. That means that the valve is functional. The problem with this valve, I suspect, is that it's not working, but it's working but not properly. In other words, it's not closing properly. You can see why, because somebody's taken the filter off and haven't been good at changing their oil and cleaning their engine. We'll have a look here. We can see dirt in there. We can see quite a bit of dirt all around here. It's gone in there. You can see little black bits of dirt and dirty oil. This valve is not closing properly, I suspect. This is what makes the car not start very easily. Once it starts, it runs okay. But after that, because this valve can't close, the inlet cam timing goes out of sync. You can see some of the dirt there. And that's what the problem with this valve is, apart from the damage. So it'll be replaced after the cam chain's been replaced, obviously. I hope that's been of some help to you guys out there trying to fix these things. Okay. Bye-bye.